So here's how to fix cannot connect to App Store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you won't miss any important steps. First you will need to open your browser and then here you have to type in speed test. Here you have to check the speed of your internet. Here it will ensure that there is no issues with the internet. However, if you find any issues, you have to go back and then you have to switch off your Wi-Fi and then again open it. Or even you can try to connecting to another network, or simply you can turn on your cellular network. Another thing you can do is go to your Safari browser and here you have to type in is the App Store is down. Now you have to click on the down detector website and once you click on it, now you will see the App Store data. If you see a sudden spike here, then it means app is down and you have to wait for few hours until the app is back. So this is how to fix cannot connect to App Store.